Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 5 from the chapter fractions. In this exercise we are going to learn to add the mixed numbers. Okay, to add the mixed numbers, first we have to convert it into an improper fractions. Okay, here the given two fractions are 1 2 by 3 and 2 5 by 9. First we are going to convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions. For that we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part, and then we have to add the numerator. Then 1 2 by 3 is equal to, here we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. 3 into 1 3 plus 2 5, the same denominator number 3. Here this is an improper fraction for the mixed number 1 2 by 3. The second fraction is 2 5 by 9. Here we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. 2 into 9 18. Then we have to add the numerator. 18 plus 5 23. Then the same denominator number 9. So this is an improper fraction for 2 5 by 9. Now we have to add these two. 5 by 3 plus 23 by 9. See these two denominators, these two fractions are unlike fractions. First we have to make these two unlike fractions as like fractions. For that we are going to find the LCM of the denominator 3 and 9. See the number 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So we can take 9 as the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. If the greater number is a multiple of the smaller number, we can take the greater number as the LCM. So see the first fraction, here the denominator is 3. Here in the second fraction already the denominator is 9. So we are going to change the first fraction with the denominator 9. So 5 by 3 plus 23 by 9. In 3 table when you will get 9? 3 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 by 9 plus 23 by 9. See here these two fractions are having the same denominator. These two fractions are like fractions. So we can add the numerators. Okay. So 15 plus 23 divided by 9. Here 5 plus 3 8. 1 plus 2 3. So we will get 38 by 9. Here see the fraction 38 by 9. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. So this fraction is an improper fraction. So we are going to convert it into mixed number. For that we have to divide the numerator number 38 by the denominator number 9. In 38 how many times 9 is there? 4 times, isn't it? 4 times 36. Now we have to subtract 38 minus 6, 2. Okay, now we have to write in the form of quotient remainder by divisor. Here quotient is 4, remainder is 2 and divisor is 9. So quotient 4, remainder 2 by 9. This is the answer. Okay, here while adding two mixed fractions we are getting the answer of mixed fraction. Okay, first we have to convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. Then we are converting into like fractions. After that only we have to add the given fractions. Is it clear, children? So the answer is 4 2 by 9. Okay, then next two fractions 2 5 by 8 and 3 1 by 6. First step we have to convert the given mixed fractions to improper fractions. Okay, then we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. 8 2s are 16. Then we have to add the numerator. 16 plus 5, that is 21. Then the same denominator number 8. Then here 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. 19 by 6. Now these two fractions are unlike fractions. So we have to convert it into like fractions by finding the LCM of the denominator numbers. Okay. So LCM of 8 and 6. We are going to use L division method. Here both the numbers are even numbers. So 2 is the smallest prime factor. So 8 divided by 2, that is 4, and 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Here 4 and 3 are co-prime numbers. These two numbers are having only one as the common factor. So we can stop here. To find the LCM, we have to multiply all the numbers. 2 into 4 into 3. Here 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So LCM is 24. Now we are going to change these two fractions with the denominator 24. Here in the first fraction, the denominator 8. In A table, when you will get 24? 3 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. Okay, here 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. So the fraction is 63 by 24. Then the second fraction is 19 by 6. In 6 table, when you will get 24? 6 4s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 4. Here 4 9s are 36. 6 here, 3 carry over. 4 into 1 4, 4 plus 3 7. That is 76 by 24. Now these two fractions are like fractions. We are going to add the numerators. Okay. Then 63 by 24 plus 76 by 24. We can add the numerator 63 plus 76. Here 3 plus 6, that is 9. 6 plus 7, that is 13. So we will get 139 by 24. Okay. Now 139 by 24 is an improper fraction. So we are going to convert it into mixed number. So we have to divide the numerator 139 by the denominator 24. Here in 139, how many times 24 is there? 5 times, isn't it? 5 times 120. We have to subtract. Here 9. Here 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So the quotient is 5. Remainder is 19. And the divisor is 24. So we have to write quotient remainder by divisor. So 5, 19 by 24 is the answer. Okay, the given question is 2 5 by 8 plus 3 1 by 6 is equal to 5 19 by 24. Is it clear, children? The next two fractions 4 and 2 1 by 3. Here we are going to add these two fractions. Here 4 is a whole number. What is the meaning of that? For the whole number, the denominator is 1. Here the second fraction is a mixed number. So we have to convert it into improper fraction. So we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by the same denominator 3. Now these two fractions are unlike fractions. So we have to find the LCM. So LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. Here 3 is a multiple of 1. So 3 is the LCM. So no need to change the second fraction. We are going to change the first fraction alone. Okay, in first fraction, to make the denominator 3, we have to multiply it by 3. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. So 4 3s are 12. 12 by 3 plus the second fraction is 7 by 3. Now these two fractions are like fractions. We can add the numerator. So 12 plus 7 by 3. 12 plus 7, that is 19 by 3. Now 19 by 3 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed number. For that we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. In 19, 6 times 3 is there, that is 18. Now we have to subtract. 19 minus 18 is 1. So we have to write in the form of quotient remainder by divisor. So 6 1 by 3 is the answer. 4 plus 2 1 by 3 is equal to 6 1 by 3. Is it clear, children? Then the next two mixed numbers are 3 1 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4. First, we have to convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. Here 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by the same denominator 2. Plus the second one, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by the denominator 4. Now, these two fractions are unlike fractions. We have to change the unlike fractions to like fractions by finding LCM. So LCM of the denominator numbers 2 and 4. Here 4 is the multiple of 2. So we can take 4 as the LCM. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So we have to convert the first fraction alone, because in the second fraction already the denominator is 4. Here in 2 table, when you will get 4 2 times, so we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. So 7 2s are 14 plus 11 by 4. Now we have to add the numerators. 14 plus 11 divided by 4. Here 14 plus 11, 4 plus 1, that is 5. 1 plus 1, 2. 25 by 4. Here 25 by 4 is an improper fraction. So we are going to convert it into mixed number. So we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. In 25, 6 times 4, that is 24. Now 25 minus 24, that is 1. We have to write in the form of quotient, remainder by divisor. So 6 1 by 4 is the answer. So 3 1 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4 is equal to 6 1 by 4. Is it clear, children? The next question is a word problem. See the question. There were no potatoes in the house. Mr. Sharma bought 2 1 by 2 kg potatoes. Mrs. Sharma bought 1 3 by 5 kg potatoes. How many kilograms of potatoes are there in the house now? Okay, here Mr. Sharma bought 2 1 by 2 kg and Mr. Sharma also bought 1 3 by 5 kg. Okay, now we are going to find the quantity of potatoes in the house now. For that, we have to add these two quantities. Okay, so the first one, quantity of potatoes. Mr. Sharma bought is equal to 2 1 by 2 kg. Now quantity of potatoes. Mrs. Sharma bought is equal to 1 3 by 5 kilogram. Okay, now we are going to find the quantity of potatoes in the house now. Quantity of potatoes in the house now. For that, we have to add these two quantity. So 1 by 2, 2 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 5 kilogram. See the fractions. These two fractions are mixed fractions. So first we are going to convert it into improper fraction. For that, we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. Then 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2 plus, here 5 into 1, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 5 kilogram. Here these two fractions are unlike fractions. We are going to convert it into like fractions by finding the LCM of the denominator numbers. So LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. Here 2 and 5 are prime numbers. So the product of the two numbers is the LCM. So LCM of 2 and 5, 2 5s are 10. 10 is the LCM. Now we have to convert the fractions with the denominator 10. Here the first fraction is 5 by 2. In 2 table when you will get 10? 2 5s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 5. Then we will get 5 5s are 25 plus 8 by 5. Here in 5 table when you will get 10? 2 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. 8 2s are 16. Now these two fractions are like fractions, so we can add the numerators. So 25 plus 16 by 10 kilogram. Here 6 plus 5, that is 11. 1 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So we will get 41 by 10 kilogram. Here 41 by 10 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. In 40, 4 times 10, that is 41. In 41, 4 times 10, that is 40. We have to subtract 41 minus 40, that is 1. So we have to write in the form of quotient, remainder by divisor. So we will get 4 1 by 10 kilogram. So 4 1 by 10 kilogram of potatoes are there in the house now. Okay. So answer 4 1 by 10 kilogram of potatoes are there. In the house now. Is it clear, children? The next question. One day there was no water in the house. Alam and Shalu brought water in buckets from a well. Alam brought 10 1 by liter of water and Shalu brought 6 9 by 10 liter of water. How much water did they bring in all? In all is a clue word for addition. So to find the capacity of water they bring in all, we have to add these two capacities. Okay, let us start the solution. Capacity of water Alam brought is equal to 10 1 by 5 liter. Then capacity of water Shalu brought is equal to 6 9 by 10 liter. Now we have to find the capacity they brought in all. Is equal to 10 1 by 5 liter plus 6 9 by 10 liters. Okay. Now we are going to add these two mixed fraction. What is the first step we have to do? We have to convert the mixed fractions into an improper fraction. Okay. The first fraction will come as, here we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. Then we have to add the numerator. 5 tens are 50, 50 plus 1, 51, and the same denominator 5, plus the second fraction. Here 6 tens are 60, 60 plus 9, 69, 69 by 10 liter. Now these two fractions are unlike fractions, so we have to convert it into like fractions by finding the LCM of the denominator numbers. So LCM of 5 and 10. Here see the number 10. 10 is a multiple of 5. So we can take 10 as the LCM. So now we have to convert the first fraction alone with the denominator 10. So 51 by 5 plus 69 by 10 liter is equal to, here in 5 table when you will get 10 2 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. So 51 into 2 we will get 102 plus 69 by 10. Now these two fractions are like fractions. We can add the numerators. So 102 plus 69 divided by 10 liter. Here 2 plus 9, that is 11. 1 carry over to the next place. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. In 100 place 1. So 171 by 10 liter. See the fraction 171 by 10. Here the numerator is greater than the denominator. So this is an improper fraction. We are going to convert it into mixed number. For that we have to divide the numerator by the denominator number 10. Here the divisor is a 2-digit number. So we have to take the first 2 digits. In 17 only one time 10 is there. Okay, 17 minus 10, that is 7. Now we have to take the next number 1. In 71 7 times 10, 70. Now we have to subtract 1. So the quotient is 17, remainder is 1 and the divisor is 10. So we have to write in the form of quotient is a whole number part and remainder by divisor is a fractional part. So 17 1 by 10 is the required fraction. Okay, so let us write the answer. Alam and Shalu brought 17 1 by 10 liter of water in all. Was it clear, children? Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.